Good morning students, welcome back to the session. In the previous video we discussed about radius, circumference, area of a circle, and also you learned about the relation between the area of a circle with the other areas of other two-dimensional figures. Today you are going to learn sector and segment of a circle. What do you mean by sector? It is a portion of a circular region between two radii and the corresponding arc. Sector is a portion of a circular region between two radii and the corresponding arc. So see in this figure, circle with center O, OA and OB are the radial and the corresponding arc is ABB. Now this portion AOBP is called as sector and smaller portion is called as minor sector and the larger one is called as major sector. For minor sector the corresponding arc is ABB and for the major sector the corresponding arc is AQD. What is the sector? Sector is the region enclosed between two radii and the corresponding arc. So this is called sector. The smaller portion is called as minor sector and the larger portion is called as major sector. Then segment. What is segment? Segment is a part of the circle between the chord and the corresponding arc. Segment is a region between chord and the corresponding arc. Once again here, smaller portion is minor segment and the larger portion is called major segment. Now AB is a chord and the corresponding arc is APB. So APB is called as minor segment and AQB is called as major segment. What do you mean by segment? The portion of the circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc. So segment is the portion of the circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc is called segment of a circle. The smaller portion is called as minor segment and the larger portion is called as major segment. Now, how we can find area of a sector, area of a segment? Now, for area of a sector, the formula is area of a sector equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is the angle between the two radii. So this is the formula to find the area of a sector. So area of sector APBO is theta by 360 degree into pi r square, where pi is constant, its value is 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. Okay. Now, how will we calculate area of this major sector? To find area of major sector, the angle, central angle is this one. That is 360 minus theta. Suppose this angle is theta, then the angle of the major sector is 360 minus theta for 360 into pi r square. For minor sector, sector area is theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is the angle subtended at the center. Theta is the angle subtended at the center. For area of major sector, the formula is 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square, where the angle subtended by the major sector, that is 360 minus theta. Okay. Then how we can calculate segment area? So area of the segment minus segment equals to, you need to find area of the So find area of the sector AOBP. So first you need to find area of the sector. Then subtract area of the triangle AOB. Then you will get area of this minor segment. So area of minor segment, that is ABB, equals to area of the sector AOBP minus area of triangle AOB. So to find area of triangle AOB, suppose it is equilateral triangle, you can use root 3 by 4 side square. If length of the chord and height is given, you can use half into base into height. It depends what values you got over here to find the area. Suppose the perpendicular height is not given, only angle is given, then you can use trigonometric ratios and find the length of the chord, and then you can find the base, and then you can find the area of the triangle. So there are different ways, so you can find area of the triangle. Okay. Now area of this minor segment can be calculated using formula area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Then how we can find area of the major segment? To find area of the major segment, first you need to find area of the circle. So area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment is nothing but area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So like this, you have to calculate area of the minor sector, area of the major sector, area of minor segment, as well as area of the major segment. So once again I repeat, what is sector? Is portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc of the circle. So this is called sector. The smaller portion is minor sector and the larger portion is major sector. Then what is segment? The portion of the circular region enclosed between the chord and the corresponding arc. Now see here, this is the minor segment. So area between the chord AB and the corresponding arc is ABB. So the portion of the circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc is called segment. So here ABB is the corresponding arc, AB is the chord, so region between them is called minor segment, and the larger portion is called as major segment. Then to calculate sector area, the formula is area equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is the sector angle, that is angle subtended at the center. Then to find area of the major sector, area of the major sector equals to, instead of theta you have to take 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. Then to find area of this minor segment, you need to calculate sector area, then subtract triangle area, you will get area of this minor segment. Similarly, to find area of major segment, you need to calculate area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. To find area of triangle, you can use, suppose it is a central angle is 60 degree, then it will be equilateral triangle. Why? Because AO and OB are the radii of the circle. Suppose central angle is 60 degree, then other two angles will be equal, right? So that this angle, angle A plus angle B equals to 120. So each angle is 60 degree. Understood? You can use root 3 by 4 side square formula to find area of triangle AOB. Sometimes the perpendicular height and base, that is length of the chord, is given, then you can use half into base into height. Sometimes only radius is given and this side is not, the length of the chord is not given, then use, first you need to draw perpendicular from the center to the chord, then apply trigonometry ratios to find the length of the chord. So here we are using property perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. So that in triangle AOC. So apply trigonometric ratio and find length AC, and double of AC is length of the chord. So like this we can find sector area and segment area. Let us take some example for better understanding. First one, find the area of sector of a circle of radius 28 cm at central angle is 45 degree. So find area of a sector whose radius is 28 and angle subtended, that is central angle is 45 degree. Okay. Area of the sector. First you need to write formula neatly. Area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Which is central angle 45 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is constant 22 by 7 into 28 into 28, that is the radius of the circle. You need to find area of sector. Okay. Now simplify. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36. Then 5 1s are 5 8s are. Then 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 into 28. So 11 into 28 is multiply 28 into 11. So 28, 28. So 8, 10, 3. So 308 centimeters square. So area of the sector is 308 centimeters square. Next, second example, find the difference. Find the difference of the circle the difference of the areas of a sector of angle 120 degree and its corresponding major sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter. You need to find the difference of the areas of the sector and the corresponding major sector. It means you need to find areas of minor sector as well as major sector and find the difference of their areas. First, you need to find area of the minor sector, then area of the major sector, and lastly, you need to find the difference of the areas of sector. Now, let A1 be the area of minor sector, and A2 be the area of major sector. First we need to find area of minor sector by sector angle 120 degree. So A1 equals to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, where theta is given as 120 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is 21. 21 into 21. Simplify. 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12 3s are 36. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7 7 get cancel. So 22 into 21. So you need to multiply 22 into 21. So 22 into 21. So which is equal to multiply 22 into 21, 22, 462 centimeters square. So this is the area of the minor sector. Similarly, you need to calculate area of the major sector, that is A2. So A2 equals to, what is the sector angle now? Sector angle is 360 degree minus theta, that is 360 minus 120 divided by. Now you need to find difference of the areas. So 360 degree minus 120 degree upon 360 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Once again simplify, 360 minus 120. 360 minus 120 is 0, 0. 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Now we simplify this. So 0, 0 cancel. So 8, this is a 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 9s are 36, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 7 cancel. So 2 into 22 into 21. So A2 equals to 2 into 22 into 21. So multiply 2 into 22 into 22 into 22 is 44 into 21. So that is 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 924 square centimeter. 924 centimeters square. Now you need to find the difference of the areas. So the difference of the areas equals to A2 minus A1. So 924 minus 462. So it is 462 centimeters square. So the difference between the areas, that is major area and minor area difference is 462 centimeter square. That means major sector is double of minor sector. Major sector is double of minor sector. I hope you understood this. I hope you understood this. Thank you, students.